Kadena is absolutely exploding, and in my opinion this is just the beginning. And as you guys can see, I have a huge smile on my face, and the reason why is because KD is back above $1. The bull market is back, altcoin season is back. And can we just give a moment of silence real quick for the freaking haters that said KD is never going above $1 ever again and it's going to 30 cents? Let's just give a 10-second moment of silence. You know what? Because of this video, for the sake, I'm going to give it 3 seconds because I don't want to waste you guys' time. So let's do it 3 seconds. This is for the haters, guys. F you. You guys suck. And I mean, I'm not going to be too vulgar, but KD, guys, back above $1. Now, obviously, this is just the beginning, okay? So I'm not really hyped yet, okay? There's nothing too crazy that happened. Like, yes, KD is above $1 at $1.05. You guys can see right here on this chart, this thing is absolutely exploding. We are still the beginning. This is still the beginning. Yes, KD is at $1. Yes, KD is up 35% in the past couple of, even hours. Okay, yes. But obviously this is just the beginning. This is just the start. In my opinion, KD is about to go to $8 to $10 in the next few weeks, and we're about to see 800% pump. You guys can see right here, the market cap of KD is $303 million, so obviously very low. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys know that I do talk about KD a lot. I mean, you guys can see there's a KD logo everywhere, and if you guys have been here throughout the bear market, thank you for supporting me. I know there's been a lot of people who haven't been supporting me and saying, oh, how are you still holding this shitcoin? Just because something is down and it's consolidating doesn't mean it's a shitcoin. You see, I kept on accumulating KDA, but the losers bought high, sold low. That's unfortunate. That's not how you're gonna make it. Anyways, going back on here, the volume. Can we just speak about the volume, guys? $100 million in volume on KDA. Are you out of your mind? This is what I like to see. $100 million worth of volume. This is literally amazing. The circling supply, 297 million. Obviously, if we have a look right here in the past month, the growth has been fantastic. KDA is still a very high crypto, so currently ranked 284th. In my opinion, this will make the top 100 again, if not the next, the top 50. And of course, guys, they just announced a partnership with Olympia. Now, this is not crazy news, obviously, right? It is a team in Paraguay, but this just shows that the KDA marketing team is a sleeping giant, and they're doing it so slow, so steady, because they want real legit investors. They don't want investors to come in, manipulate the price, pump and dump and whatnot. So you can see right here, something I'm very bullish on KDA, by the way, is this Bitcoin chart. So this is KDA versus Bitcoin. Now I'm going to talk about the regular chart right here, and I'm going to get back to this post when I told you guys not to worry about. But you see right here, this is the KDA BTC chart, and you guys can see for the first time ever, no, I'm kidding, not ever, but for the first time since July, okay, so summer, KD against the Bitcoin dominance is finally going up, and this is obviously very, very, very bullish, okay, because we know Bitcoin right now is currently sitting at sub $98,000, and we could see a massive breakout to the top, to quadruple 02857. Now obviously this would only be a 300% pump against Bitcoin, okay, against Bitcoin. Imagine what it can do against the US dollar. So going back into this chart right here, KD is absolutely exploding, up 19.63% right here, traded at $1.05. You guys can see right here, if you have been following me on Twitter, my X will be in the link in the description below. You guys can see right here, I said KDA keeps coming down and retesting these EMA ribbon, constantly acting as a support zone. Buy zone for KDA chart looks good, up 70% since the breakout. So this was the breakout right here. I mean, it's up even more now because KDA is up. So this was the breakout on the exponential moving average, and ever since KDA came back, retested, these were buy zones. So these EMA ribbons have been holding KDA as a support region, and you guys can see right here, you had 1 buy opportunity, 2 buy opportunity, 3 buy opportunity, 4 buy opportunity. We need to close 3 candles, remember, below the EMA ribbon for it to be bearish. And of course, that was a 5th buy opportunity, and this is when I made the tweet, by the way. This was the tweet right here. I made it, and we are up 35% ever since, even more now because KD keeps on pumping. You guys can see right here, this was the buy, the nice little rejection that we had. I think this was about 12 hours ago, something like that. Yeah, it says right here, November 24th. And of course, this thing is absolutely up, 35. I know I said 35%, but we are up 38%. And if we took it from the low, since we had the nice little breakout, KDA is up 107%. So this growth is very nice. And look at this on the right side of my screen, guys. Can you guys see this? Look at this. Look at the top gainers. Bitcoin, obviously this is the top, the Bitcoin, you know, the Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin on another chart. We got SUI, Ethereum, KDA 20%. Nothing is even close to the gains that we're seeing on KDA right now. 21% and counting on KDA is absurd. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, I will be doing more KDA updates. You guys know me, I do 2 to 3 KDA videos every week. I do shorts. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video to push the word out. This is what we want. We want mass adoption to KDA. And guess what, guys? They have this token go thing happening, and obviously more people are going to be building on it. More people are coming to KDA, and they're realizing that this is literally the time to buy KDA. And you guys can see right here, this is just the beginning. So if we have a look right here at the all-time, let's just take a look at the log right here. You can see the all-time market cap sitting at $3.8 billion. Dollars is obviously 10x. And we could see right here that the price was sitting at $22. So inflation is a little bit high. 100% of the, you know, of the tokens that went into circling supply, 100% more, sorry. But that's not really a big deal. I still think that KDA is a $50 billion crypto, maybe not in this bull market, but it, you know, in general, I really do think that we're going to break, you know, $5 billion this bull market. I definitely think we're going to break $5 billion. I think we're going to go back to $15 range. In my opinion, I don't know if we're going to go back to $28 because of the, you know, the circling supply, but in the future, I definitely do think that KDA will be a $50 to $50 billion crypto, and pretty much that's about it. And look at this freaking beauty, guys. This thing keeps on pumping. Obviously, we had the nice little breakout right here on the daily time frame as well. So this was the breakout on the daily time frame. It's kind of like similar to the Bitcoin breakout, but you guys can see KDA was ranging in this level. And if you guys have been watching my videos in the past, I mentioned that KDA is getting ready for a massive breakout, and this is exactly what is happening right now. So to the haters, guys, that said KDA was never going to break out and it wasn't going to follow an altcoin season, you know, I don't know what to tell you. You cheated, you lost, you paper handed. I mean, that's on you. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.